Day trading live this morning. What's going on? It's Friday, and you can see I'm excited for a reason, because it's Friday. I'm green. I'm going to the Ritz-Carlton. It's going to be a good weekend. We're going to kill it. It's going to just... I'm excited. I'm excited for the weekend, and there is no better way to start the weekend, to end the week, than on a green note. And you'll see in the video, it was a little bit of this. It was a little bit of red, a little bit of green, and a little bit back to red. It was an interesting morning. I think there were some pretty good trades, some interesting setups and all of that. And you'll kind of see how it all went down. But I'm just excited because it's Friday. You got 2 days. It's going to be a good weekend. Got some friends coming into town. We're going to go have a good time. Watch the video. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to give away some more t-shirts. Don't worry. We're hitting the bid all day, every day. But you have to see. We're going to change it up a little bit. It's going to be a little bit different way to enter, to win. And on Monday, I'm going to end up sending out all the shirts. I gave away 6 shirts the other day. We're going to give away 5 today. We're going to keep going. I wish I could give everyone a t-shirt. I really do. But I think you're going to want to see this video. It's interesting. This video was very interesting. Some interesting trades, some interesting patterns, and all of that. Kind of see how it all goes down live in this video. Really, this is the only YouTube channel out there that is the #1 channel for day trading, live day trading, Patrick Whelan. You get it all right here. So I don't know why you wouldn't have already subscribed. I'm sure you probably already have. But if you haven't, well, hit that subscribe button. Let's get ready. Let's get into the action. So I jumped in here on EDAP this morning, hoping, finding some support there at the 390 area. I'd like to see if this 390 area can hold here and get this push back above $4 there at open. It's kind of the game plan right now. You can see a 5-minute chart pulling down there to the EMAs. So looking to find some support here and bounce back up, start to curl up into open. Had this big spike there from 390 up there to 412. And I got 2.7 million shares traded. So I feel like it's doing pretty good right here. So we just need to push off this 390 area. Got the EMAs there on the 5-minute. You can see, let me pull this down. There you go. Now you can see that a little bit better. 5-minute over here, 5-minute chart, and then the 1-minute chart. So is there. Got an EMA down there, about 386 area, I think, right around there, 385. So we got the EMAs, got the VWAP. So we got some support below us here. So I feel pretty good, going into open here, knowing that support is there, and then just need this to push. Market's about to open here in about a minute, so we can see if we can push above this $4. I think it's game on. Above $4, this thing's going to run. At least get one more push up there to high of day. High of days right now is 412, so that's kind of my target area. I like to get above 412 here. Let's see if we can get some action here before the market even opens. Give it up. Ooh, ooh. All right, market's about to open here. Let's see what happens. Can we push? There's that push. 404, 499. Getting out there. Oh, there's that support acting up there now. Wow, so look at that. Got out. Wow. That was amazing. Jump back in here at $4. I think this is going to push. Get this push above high of day here. At 412, just holding it down there. I think you can still push a little bit. Come on. Jumping out there. Wow. Twice now. All right, we got to get above this 415, 413 area this time. Get above that 413, get a push to 420s. There we go. And 420. 420, boom. Wow. Ugh, talk about a just total fake out there. Well, at least the good news is I'm back green. I was down 300, now I'm back green. But still, come on. What was I doing this morning? So the crazy part is, I talked about it just earlier, like 5 minutes ago. I talked about how this 385 was my support area. Well, why didn't I let that be my support? So you can see that 385 really holding up there as support. We got 2 pushes to the 412 area. You know, I was up 300 on both of these trades, and then ended up getting out for a loss. And then it's painful because I got only 200 shares filled there at 385. It pushed to 420. What could I have done differently there? I don't think this candle really printed, but that's showing all the way down to 340. I don't think it really went that low. Let's see if we can find another entry here on EDAP up there to the 420s. A little more. Let's get a little bit more washout. 425 now. Wow, nice. Looking for a little bit of a pullback here. I was really hoping this would just explode. You know, I was really hoping that we just get like 420, 430, 450. This thing's getting really held down here. And then this whole debacle. Look at that. Ouch. I'm gonna drop it on this washout there. See if we can't push back above 4 here. Not showing strength there. Jump out there. A little pullback here, kind of a washout, and then get a little spike back up there. But the shorts are just hammering this thing right now. They are going to town here. Going to town. Probably could have not done this trade. Probably could have just skipped out on this trade there. But hey, I was just hoping for a push there. Losing that support there at the 385. And it's gone. Next support there, 370 area here on the 5-minute chart. Let's see if it'll bounce off of 370s. Nope. So the crazy part is, I mean, I don't know if it's the crazy part, but the crazy thing here is, the frustrating part, I guess I should say, is, you know, right there at open, we got that little bit of a spike. I was up, should have taken profit, was being a little greedy, and, you know, what it is. So then I jumped back in there, $4. I was up a couple hundred bucks. I was up like $100 there. It pushed to 412. Didn't take profit. Ended up getting out there. And then, you know, this trade, trying to get filled, only got 200 shares there at 385. It pushed to 420. I mean, that's, you know, 35 cents on 2,000 shares. So that would have been beautiful to really get the full fill there. But I only got filled 200, so then I got the rest there at 4. And you can see this thing now just not really having the power. Just not having the power. I'll try to jump in here. The 830 area, see if I can get filled there. Just to push back up. A little bit of a spread here, but we'll see. If we can get filled there, 830. Something there, 850. Let's see if this will push up to the $9 area. See if we can get another 1,000 shares there. At the 8. All the way to 9. Beautiful, 877. I'll take it there. I was hoping for, I wanted an 887. Why did I get 877? You screwed me there, didn't you? Got me good there, hotkeys. Now I'm up $294 there on TPIV, $50 there on EDA. I think TPIV might make a move for that $9 area. It's just looking like it wants to go, huh? Let's see a little bit more of a washout here. I'll jump in here at 855, see if this can't push one more time. Just looking for a quick little pop back up there to the 880 area. See if this can push here above 850s. Not really, just not pushing there. I'm gonna jump out and see EDAP kind of finding some support there at the 370s. Is it gonna come back? Are we gonna get this cup and handle action here today? Let's see, boys. She's making a comeback here. Do you think she can go all the way? Let's see. Let's see if this will push above the EMAs there. You can see the EMAs holding it down right now. That 380 area. And we'll get that push above the EMAs. I think we might get a push up to the $4 area. A little bit of resistance kick in there. And then a little bit of a pullback. And that's kind of what we're going to be looking for. TPIV. Good thing that I got out when I did. So it just was not moving. It just wasn't going up. But look at it. You know, I only took a 12-cent loss on 500 shares. Well, look at it. Dropped all the way down there to 781. So that was pretty good timing there, I feel like. EMAs here. Get this breakout. A little bit of a flag right here. A 1-minute flag there. Well, there's that push. Look at that. Right above $4. No problem. I'm going to jump in there. 395. Look for this push. Above 4. A lot of strength there. Just pushing up against that $4 area. Starting a little bit of a flag here. Let's get this breakout over 4. Come on. Push it up there. Push it. Push it over 4. Right here. Beautiful. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. 403. I'll take it. 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 All right. Jumping in there. 396. Getting up there to 403. Boom. I'm up $195 there on EDAP. Up $224 there on TPIV. And I feel pretty good about it right now. TPIV down there to the 780s. What else we got moving? We got EDAP. Also, AXON. AXON making some moves this morning up there to the 522s. Pull it back down there to 490 right now. It's all over the place. I would say this is probably just a choppy day. Look at this. Oh my baby Jesus. So, the last couple days, we had these stocks. We had these stocks like EDAP that, we had stocks last couple days. I can't forget the names of them now. AXON. What other was a stock that moved around like crazy? So we had a couple stocks that basically formed, I think, this exact pattern. Big spike up there at open, then crashing down, and then, going for that cup, going for the cup there, cup, and, really just keeping going. This EDAP, this kind of setup, I was really thinking we'd get that just explosion over $4 and, maybe go $4.50, $5 if this really had the power, if it really kind of did what it did the last couple of days with some of these other stocks that kind of had a similar pattern. So that's kind of what I was really looking for. And, once we broke above VWAP, broke above the EMAs, we had the strength there. Boom, boom, boom. Up there to $4. I felt, that I'm happy to take profit there at 403. Sometimes you can see sometimes kids, it's good to take profit early. I could have easily been stubborn here and been like, nah. I'm holding this thing till it goes to 425. I'm holding till 425. And, it just felt really kind of top heavy there. And you can see kind of a double top there. 405, boom, boom. Once I saw that, it was time to get out. And that's exactly what we did. So it's Friday. It's the end of the week. I'm pretty excited because I'm going to kind of like the Ritz-Carlton this weekend. It's not the Ritz, is it? Is it the Ritz? I don't know. We got this sweet 2-bedroom, crazy $4 million penthouse thing. I don't know if it's a penthouse, but it's $4 million just resort. It's like a condo, I guess it is. I don't even know what you call these things, but it's basically rich people just buy these like condos at these hotels. And we're going to go stay at one this weekend and see what it's all about. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The best is one of my good friends, one of my best friends from high school. Hopefully he's not watching this video. I doubt he is. But my best friend from high school, it was his birthday on Wednesday. And his girlfriend was like, man, we want to do something. What should we do? Maybe we'll come stay with you guys down in Fort Lauderdale. Maybe we'll get a room at the Hilton. I was like, screw the Hilton, baby. We're going down to the Ritz-Carlton, and we're going to have some fun. And we're going to have some fun this weekend, so that's what we're doing. And that's why I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood, first off, because it's a green day, and I took profit at a very, 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 very good time there on EDAP. And overall, like I said, it's Friday, and I'm green. If I can be green on Fridays, I don't care how much money I make. If I make a little bit of money on Fridays, I'm happy with that. So there it is. I'm excited. I'm happy. Making some money today. You guys can see making some money today. Closing it out there. This whole debacle right here. EDAP. It's a funny one. So, just kind of talking about it, looking back. Hindsight's 2020 here. But really, I was hoping, boom, we're going to get that squeeze there at open. It would have been a nice little trade, but it was kind of like boom, boom, boom. I was actually down $300 at one point, which is interesting because I was down $300, and I was like, oh, man, this is not really how I wanted to start the weekend, and not really how I wanted to, end the week here, down $300. So I just stayed focused, wasn't looking at the P&L, wasn't looking how much money I lost. I was just staying focused, and really, once I saw this kind of 385 area holding, I was like, all right, I'm going in. The painful part is, I only got 200 shares there and got the rest there above $4. That would have been another $400 in profit from that 385 area for that push there. So that would have been obviously a much better play. It was funny because, you know, I was up $100, $200 on this trade here. Both these trades, I was in the green on every single EDAP trade there was, except for this one here. This was the little tricky one. Yeah, tricky. A little bit too much of a washout there. I was really just hoping we'd find a washout and kind of bounce that $4 area. But this thing's just really choppy, hard to trade, all over the place. And I'm gonna put my hands in the air, walk away, and just be happy that I lived to tell this tale. Live to tell the EDAP tale here today, because I feel like a lot of people out there are probably not going to have as much luck, and you know, definitely a little bit of luck on this one because it was just all over the place. Really, just I was when I saw this forming here, when I saw this cup forming, this pattern, you know, that we've had the last couple days, and I saw this, I was like, ho ho ho, it is time to make some money, boys. And really, I thought that we were gonna have like a $2,000-$3,000, you know, trade there, because that, you know, get a run to 450, that'd have been $1,000. Get a run to 460, 470, 480, $5. Ha ha! That would have been beautiful, but we didn't get it. So now it's back to reality. Now I can stop dreaming here. Stop dreaming about the Lamborghini I was gonna buy today. I was gonna go out and buy a Lamborghini after this trade here, but back to reality. Back to only making $419 in 30 minutes today. So I want to thank everybody for all their support. To everybody out there who supports the channel, people who leave comments, people who hit the like button, all that stuff. You guys are the real heroes out there, keeping me going, keeping this alive. And you know, the other day I gave away 6 hit the bid t-shirts. I'm gonna give away another 5 today. So in the comment section below, I want you guys to comment living my best life. And, you know, write a little bit more than that. Don't just write living my best life, but write like living my best life. What are you doing? Give me an idea of what you're doing this weekend. And I'm going to pick the 5 top comments. I'm not going to do it randomly. I'm going to pick the 5 comments that I think are either just the funniest or just kind of got large, extra large. There's no mediums, no smalls. Sorry if you wear a medium or small. It's time to go to the gym and hit the weights because you need to get bulked up, boys. Because if you don't weigh 200 pounds as a man, you're not a man. That's what my dad always said. If you don't weigh 200 pounds, you're not a man. I don't know why he thinks that, but that's what he said. So I have to go by it. That's what I have to go by. You know, you got to live by what your dad tells you. And that's what we're going to go with. So there it is. Leave a comment below. Living my best life. And, you know, write like a story. Not a story, but like tell me kind of, you know, either you made some money today or what's your plans this weekend. What are you doing to live your best life? And I'm going to close it out right there. $419. It's Friday. I'm ready to go to the pool. I'm ready to go check in. Ritz-Carlton, I'm coming, baby. I'm getting out of here. I'll talk to you guys later on.